Hi everyone, we are in Buda, Texas, just south of Austin. We're gonna take a quick look at this town. She's beautiful, she's from Texas. There we go. So we're starting off at the Brooklyn's Restaurant and Bar, right there. Never been there, but looks good. Got a renovation going on. Looks like they're doing new but looking old, which is matches the rest of the town. I fully endorse that. We got Taste on the Main in a 1926 building, Moore and Son. And you got Louis Craft Barbecue. It looks like, I guess you can buy garden stuff there too. Oh wait, no, it's a food truck. Yeah. This is the old Main Street station. Wait. Okay, we're gonna cross and I'll come back to you when I get on the other side. Okay, we've got the Buda Mercantile Company. Nice old building. And it's the Zoe Market. And now you got the Meridian, which I believe, I'm not quite sure what they do over here. Might be a bar. And Donut Palace, because you gotta have your donuts in Texas, in every corner of the state. You got the Cigar Vault and a really nice old building too, stuccoed. Looks like you can smoke outside of the building if you want. And here we go, is the Old Town Buda Antique Mall. Might check that out on my way out. And you got Main Street Pizzeria, Beer Garden. And you can see there's another shop right here called the Buda's Red Door. And on the corner, this is another example of a new structure made to look old and very well done. This is a dentist place. Here we go, another old building. This is the Carrington Wedding and Event Venue. This beautiful I can't tell how old it is, I can't read it, but it's probably in the teens. Looks like they need to do a little bit of sprucing up in the front, but maybe that's the aesthetic they were going for. And here's the back area of that building. It's a really nice big building, golly. A lot of room for activities. there's a interior design place. It's a nice little architecture on the top of that building. And then we got another new old building. That's the Summer Moon Coffee. It's a really popular coffee place here. Has an antique store right next to it. And we have this old Carrington house. Nice 100-year-old house. And we got a few food trucks over there as well. There's a smattering of food trucks in this town. It's very, very busy. It's, everybody who can't afford Austin, I guess, moves over here, and of course the prices are rising up over here as well. So I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to afford to live over here either. But that's real estate for you. Location, location, location. Alright, I'm gonna pause the video, and if there's anything else interesting, I'll record it. I'll be right back. Well, this was Buda, Texas. I'm ending the video out at Stagecoach Park at the McElroy Severn House. So this used to be a post office and stagecoach house back in the day. Pretty neat, and it's been fully restored, as you can see, and I guess they use it for events. 1885, according to this sound. This sign, I mean. This park is just a little bit outside of the downtown area. The downtown area over here is not especially big, but there's a lot there if you're into like antiquing and getting snacks and going to neat little restaurants. There's a lot I didn't show, so you're gonna have to come out over here and check it out yourself. But there you go. That's the Buda, Texas, and I appreciate you coming along with me on this short little tour, and I will, to conclude the video, I like to say, remember, you are all dearly loved, and see you next time. Just so you know, the park closes at 10 o'clock. If you want to save money on traveling, go to these parks and bring yourself a sandwich or a little Coleman stove and cook yourself something up. You'll be good to go. You won't be paying $50 at that restaurant. Got their police station at the park. See ya.